Okay, welcome to the second video in your own local hosting server. I need you to get a little concentration going here. Grab you a cup of coffee or whatever your favorite beverage is, and let's get into some little change up here. What we want to do is uh, make one little modification, and we're going to be using Notepad. No word processor, nothing like that. It's either got to be Notepad or something that can edit a file, something like you use to edit PHP files. But plain old Notepad is fine, or you can search on Google for TED Notepad. That's a real good Notepad replacement. Got a lot of features, and it will not change up and corrupt files. So the main thing is no word processor. And what we're doing is we're going to make our server so it's got friendly URLs, search engine friendly URLs. You've probably heard that many times. And permalinks is actually what we're going to be working with in WordPress here. So we need to make one little change in the file. So what we'll do is we'll open up, if you installed it in your C drive, then that's what we'll be working with. Whatever drive that you installed it in is where we're going to target. So go open up a folder, my computer, and open up. If it's your C drive, go to C, and then you're going to be looking for WAMP. I know that I had showed in the video, the first one, that I installed it in D drive, okay? But as I had mentioned, I've already got it installed on my computer in C. So I'm going to be working from there, so don't get confused here. I did install it in the D drive, okay? But we're working in the C. Just remember, wherever you install it at is where we're going to look at. So we're looking for WAMP, okay? And then we went to that one. We're going to go to bin, go to Apache, and if you've got more than one installed, I can't imagine how you did that if it's a clean install, because you can install different versions here, okay? But this should be the only folder that you have, this version here. Okay, and we're going to go into the config. Well, it's not config, it's CONF, but that's basically what it stands for. And we're looking for this file right here, okay? HTTPD config. So what we're going to do is right click on it. If you do not have, like TED Notepad installed or something like that, it doesn't know what to do with the file at this point. So what you can do is you do a plain old open, and you're going to get something like this. What do you want me to do? So select a program from the list, do an OK, and what you want to do here is do not check this, okay? Leave that unchecked. What we're going to do is we're going to search for it. See, there's Notepad. You can use Notepad, that's fine. I'm going to use TED Notepad because I like it. Just do not use a word processor. Sorry if I keep repeating that, but do not use a word processor. Use a Notepad. Okay, so now we've got it opened up, and there's a lot of stuff in here, right? What we're looking for is around line 116, and what I like about good old TED Notepad here, let's go ahead and get it up here so you can see, is it'll actually tell you what line you're on here. Right now it's blinking up here at line 1 of 492 lines. If I can move on down here, line 33. So we're looking for, that's right around 116, and I think I have already changed it on this one. I know I have. See, I'm at 107. Let's move on down a little bit, and 116, okay? So in yours, right now, you've got a pound sign in front of the rewrite module. You want to remove that, backspace, and get rid of it so we can use this module. That's all you're doing is using a rewrite module. And that done, you do a save, close it, and that's all there is to that, okay? And there's nothing more to it. You don't need to know much more about it. If you want to become a server guru, then do a little studying up on it. But at this point, that's all you need to know. And again, all that was for is to make permalinks function in WordPress. Okay, that's that for this video. I wanted to make one video just for this so you can concentrate on it and get it correctly done. Okay, what we're going to do now is next video we're going to install WordPress onto our server. Uh, Nice thing about this is you can have as many different installs of WordPress that you like. And I say WordPress, you could use just about any of the popular ones. I mean, you know, any of them that you use, Joomla, any of them. So we're going to go ahead and get our WordPress installed in the next video, and I will see you in that one.